Ka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast, bat ka Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast, ha ka jingiatreilang bat ka Butterfly Collection ka ba na Shillong, menta ka sngi, ka shipho tarik Rymphang hajar pusaw, kila pynlong ya ka audition ha Hotel Vivanta, na ka benta ki samla shynrang bat kynthei, ban jied ikiban mihkhmat pat ya ka Jylla, siya ka final ka ban salong, haki bnai ban wan, na ka Jylla Meghalaya, la jied shipho ngut ki shynrang, bat shipho ngut ki kynthei, ki ban leit mihkhmat, siya katei ka Lympung. Haba iakren bat Nongpyniaid, kilapan pau ka jingkmen bawan bon kinong shimbenta, kat badang yak kisnem, bat kumbala temu banjir tang san ngut, henry nakadaw babon kinong wanya shimbenta, kila haban pen kiuno, syaka shipongut, kibasya jied, naka Jylla Meghalaya. Kila yaro ru ya ka Thei Bhabriew Jong kinong Meghalaya, bat ay kublay ya kikmikik pa, ba menta kila stang ban penslur, yaki kuun ban mihkhmat, ban shimbenta hakini kijat jingiakop.
Come a little forward. Yeah. Dia ngadi mentor but fashion coach Shillong but ngadi spokesperson juga butterfly collection which kadi ka brand ru ka lawan baru kita menta ba peladan hang dia la jan ars nem menta dia ka jingya inti jong ini kong ila associate kembang ila don benta but bon teliki events ha stage jongi but kumjo shabadon ka stage ru ka ba kidon ki bang layo perthai but kidon pada ki bangin sa kan sami perthai hiro ki bang hidang bu ma benta ti kum kamenta pada kadai kasien ka benkong ba ka brand jongi ka butterfly collection ka long fashion partner but ka Miss Mega Northeast ka badai ru jo ki dan arbenta ka day ba shynrang ba ki kynthei ka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast jong ki shynrang pada kadai ka Setwet Mr. Northeast kadai kasien ka benkong ba ka brand jongi na Shillong ka butterfly collection ka day fashion partner kaya ka bangin pembiang lot yakini ki collection langkong ki jan ka evening gown haka final round tikin pembiang kin ai kin sponsor na ka brand jongi yaki longkom joro ka day kasien ka banikong ba kalong hadu kat ni ki pen ki kena mo mantaras ni ki awan shibun ngut hadu ba ngaklempoi perkhat bakin bon kat ni but naka stage jongi ngin jet kumba hajing shisha ni mut banjit tang san ngut kynthei san ngut shynrang ban present ni ka stage ngi henry kan ni mentas ngi bangi lalu mo ba ngimpoi perkhat ba kidon sab hadu kan ni mo kan ni kaliang ba kila kiu shisha kaliang fashion mata long bangi la klumat clear banjit ru la ka san ngut harangi ha banjit no shipho khat san ngut lada kala ban long ti tang bangi ha ban shortlist si pada ti kini ki kena jongi kin salai ban compete against like but ki nyopo ngut ade ki we ki bala shajet ni ki we ki stage jongka Northeast kani kade jongka Northeast baru kelum lang ti kini ki kena jongi pada kin sa compete but nyo pomut de ki we ki balasha select na ki we ki states ti ni kermen ba kani kan long ka job namar ba ki kena jongi kamba POE ba kan thei ba shynrang menta ki lakio ba kalian fashion ba ki long confident ba mo ti ni kermen ba ngin sayo kita ita lani kita ki ban represent ka stage jongi data haka Miss Northeast namar ba ki ba job ikani ngin pa sha international pageant ngimla bante blada ki treshi tom balada ki don bok te kamut kini ki khna jongi nang ni rukila ban long kinong job but in sapha iki sha ki international pageant henry lada katkum kajing bishar pad hakasngi ka ba ka main day jongka pageant lada katkum kajing bishar jongki lada ki job ki weiru kamut ka brand jongi hi kan sponsor yaki ban leit shaban te kumba menta ka brand jongi kam deshu tang Shillong kala de but entire state jong Northeast states te kala associate habon de ki Jylla jong kani ka Northeast jongi bangi kermen balang ba kani kasien ka baning kong menta ba ni de partnership bat kani ka Miss Mega Miss Northeast te ngi kermen bangin nang la ban associate shushu bat ban nang pen kiyo shushu kan tiyo shushu ikini ki local artist jongi de local talent jongi tang kata boleh shu
Indan ni mta kasi na de co-founder jong butterfly Te mta sngi dan ni na mta audition jong ka Mega Miss Northeast ka bala punya daga Sunsilk but kumjo ru mi dei collab but ka butterfly ka response te kalong ka ba positive hi mar ngilai pun ki samla mo na ka ni ka Jylla jong ni ki participate kum dang shwa long ba na yek na sem ru long kim sha ara tamba da ni pet ba de ka ba kisnem ki banwan ni khmi lan ti gen ba ngin don kumta la ne kata ka bala pan represent ya ka Meghalaya ha ka national level but kumjo ru ha ka international level.
I'm the founder of Mega Miss Northeast and Mega Mr. Northeast. So the association with the pageants and the state Meghalaya, which we're having right now, the auditions for Meghalaya. This is incredible because Meghalaya has always produced a lot of winners from here for both Mega Miss Northeast and Mega Mr. Northeast in the past also. The competition is quite strong, and I think the collaboration with Butterfly at the moment is really premium because things have gone up very high. And very shortly, the winner from this is going to represent India at the international platform. So this initiative will be taken by Butterfly to send the delegate from India as the winner to represent India at the Miss Continental World and also at the top model universe in Turkey. As I mentioned, Meghalaya has been a very important state for us as has produced a lot of winners from here. We look forward to this, and eventually the competition, the audition have started, and this is the audition which we're having through. A lot of candidates have applied online and on ground, but yet to be decided as it's no more just a regional competition because we look forward to represent, we strongly look forward, Northeasterns, to represent India at the international. And I think when we all come together, I think can't be better than us because this is what we call the Northeast, the beauty of Northeast unity. And I think that in the coming future, uh, the brands like Butterfly from this state itself has been inspiration not only for the state, for us also inspiration as a fashion partner, and also will be exclusively designing all the collections for the international and also at the finale of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast and Sedbed Mega Mr. Northeast. To tell at the moment how many will be shortlisted because the kind of turnout, the kind of registration, the applicants are coming up is quite strong. As I mentioned in the every time I mention this, we are looking forward to select 7 to 8 candidates, but it depends on the entire panel who is the selection committee who is looking forward to it. But it is quite difficult because we eventually thought 5 registrations from Meghalaya would be accepted, but now at the moment at the spot the auditions are going on, so we are trying to take in 7 or 8. I don't know which time it might take because it's really difficult, and the only reason behind the numbers are getting increased is that the candidates, the applicants are very extremely well groomed, and I think this is really inspirational for the rest of states also. And also not only Meghalaya, other states have also roped into this state competition for Meghalaya. So let's see, hope for the best.